channel. Today's video is another power half hour. Last week I did a power half hour in Olivia's room, and today I am tackling Will's room. If you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to three gorgeous children, Isabel who is 15, Olivia who is 13. My last video I told everyone she's 12, she wasn't impressed, and William who is 10, and I live in Queensland, Australia with them, their dad, my husband Chris, and he's this one guy. Channel, you will see lots of cleaning and organizing. My last video I did, it was a pretty extremely messy house clean. It was the weekend. We are renovating here, but today I'm just focusing on Will's room. His room's not that bad, but I'm going to strip his bedding, wash his sheets, just give everything a really good dust over and a clean, because in a couple of weeks I will be doing a little mini makeover of his room, but I will not be tackling that until we do Isabel's room. We are planning on painting it while she's away on camp. I'm not sure how that will go because Chris has been doing a few late nights, and I'm the type of person that needs my hand held when I am doing things around the house, although I'm quite capable because I painted all of this. But enough rambling from me. I do very long intros all the time and I need to cut them down, but I'm going to stop rambling and I am going to take you with me, so let's get cleaning. And I just thought I'd let you know straight away that the lighting does get better in this video. There was a dark cloud over and I didn't have the lighting on in Will's bedroom, but it does get better. So this part of the video where I'm stripping his bed is a little bit dark, but it does get better. And I just thought I'd let you know this took me a little bit longer than a half an hour today. I did go back and forth, so adding it all up and not moving the camera around, it probably took me 50 minutes. I did have a really bad headache and I kind of wanted to give up, but I knew I had to have the room tidy again for when William got home from school. So I just thought I'd be honest with you there that it wasn't actually a half an hour, it was more technically 50 minutes.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Duke. Dukey. You right there? That's why our house is so fluffy. It's gotta be in every video. So for today for cleaning, I am using the Wood for Good method cleaner. I love this. It smells like Christmas to me for the marzipan on your Christmas cake, and I'll be wiping everything down with that. And you'll see next that William has a bit of a deodorant collection. I think that's a little bit of like a stocking filler that he must receive or gifts from other people, but he does have a fair collection of deodorant.
Leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box, I just wanna go my own way, 'cause I am on my way.
So I have plans to strip this chest of drawers back to either raw timber or paint it grey. I would love for you to comment below and tell me what you think I should do. And I am just going to move everything around today and place everything in position of where I want it to be. I am after a double bed for William, a timber and metal bed is what I'm after. I don't want to get another metal bed because if he gets a double metal bed, it will be exactly like Izzy. And that floor rug that is on the floor, I picked up at Kmart a couple of years ago. I absolutely love it, although it did get a little bit of chocolate on it and it has marked it, but you can't really tell unless you're looking. And this IKEA Trofast, I painted, it was in the birch color and I painted it black, but William doesn't want it in his room anymore, so I'm going to take it out and I'm going to pop all of his Legos in a container under the bed. I already have a storage container under the bed, but I need to get more, and he can store his Lego under there, and then I can use this for other organizations.
Getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire. I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on. No, 'cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight.
So today I'm just going to be mopping and vacuuming and wiping everything over in sections as I move things around, and I'm just using my Dyson V10 Animal. I love this vacuum. Chris got it for my birthday last year. I was so excited. I've always wanted a Dyson. And then I'm using my Veleda, also known as the Osita mop in America, and I love this mop. I cannot recommend it enough. It is fantastic. The floors come up beautiful with it, and I am just going to move the furniture around. Who else thinks moving furniture around is as good as a holiday? Well, I do. I love moving furniture around. It drives Chris crazy, but I've always done it. My sister does it. My mum does it. I just love it. Comment below, do you love moving furniture around?
We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. 'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be.
I'm still undecided if I am going to change out William's blinds. We still have to paint the windows white. I'm not a real fan of these white blinds. They seem to gather a lot of black on them. It doesn't matter how much I wipe them. The ones in my bedroom came up really well with a magic eraser, but these ones don't seem to come up as well, which is kind of disappointing. So I'm not sure if I'm going to change them out to curtains or bamboo blinds like I want to do with Olivia's room. And when I do wipe over these blinds today, I'm using fabric softener on the cloth. It tends to take off the static as well, which is really good. And I'm also using the Method mint glass cleaner. I love the smell of this and it works a treat.
That I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, 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 she'll never know.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, you look so beautiful.
So as you can see, I am missing a handle here for William's wardrobe. I changed him to the black and then I couldn't figure out how to put the second one on. I am wanting to change that whole side where he's got those shelvings, and I did not get round to cleaning that today because I wasn't feeling well. I was taking my time and then I had to go and get the kids, but I'm going to completely rearrange that. I do want Chris to pop on little barn doors for his wardrobe. I don't know what Chris thinks about that, but I thought that would be great, and that gives him more room in his room to move around if he does get a double bed. And that little teddy that is on his bed is Maxie. William has had that since he was 5 weeks old. We bought him when we lived in France, and he is so cute. He sits on William's bed, and it's more a sentimental thing for me than for William, but I just absolutely love him, and every time I look at him it reminds me of our times when we lived in France.
Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
And I'm just going to diffuse some doTERRA Easy Air. I love the smell of the doTERRA Easy Air. It's just a fresh smell and it makes Will's room smell really nice and clean. I love diffusing that.
Ain't nobody like you. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, I would love for you to do so and join my YouTube family. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click that bell notification so you're notified of any upcoming videos from me. There will be a mini room makeover for Will, my ensuite reveal, Izzy's room reveal. There are so many things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the next 6 months. Our biggest renovation is yet to happen, which is our downstairs rumpus basement area, and I cannot wait to share with you that. And there'll be more cleaning footage in that, of course. I will have more rooms to clean. But enough chatting from me. I hope this gave you all the cleaning motivation that you needed today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the sun.